Malini और बहुत ही अच्छा दिन है because I love when hot people come and hang out with us. Hello Salman, it's so fun. I'm excited to be here.
Super excited.
Tell us what lovely girls are in this office.
Such pretty ladies, यार. हर किसी का मन चाहेगा. All you men will be so lucky to just come up every day and find such pretty faces.
Always. But that's exactly why we don't hire men. No, that's not true. That's not true. Malini just doesn't. Anyway, how is Jhalak going? You're just killing it.
Jhalak is very stressful as usual, but yeah, I'm trying my best and I hope you like it.
I love it. Why do you think you're here? I saw your performance day 2 and I remember I called up Swagata, she's my friend in the team, and I'm like, listen to Salman. we need to meet him.
You need to come watch me live.
We are not allowed. You know Jhalak is a close friend.
What do you say?
You go, you
You
figure
be my guest.
This is live, guys. This is live. I'm gonna hold you up for it.
Done.
But how is Jhalak? Why is it so stressful? You're now Jhalak King. They should change it to Salman Diklaja.
That is the stress. That is the stress because all you people have so much expectations from me and the channel has so many expectations. Already say कि step the bar. और करने बाकी क्या है? आग कर लिया, पानी कर लिया, हवा कर लिया, अभी बचा क्या है? What do I do?
So but it's just that how do you deal with that kind of an expectation not only from channel fans आपके इतने सारे?
It's crazy, but frankly speaking, this season I'm on board to up my own game. I know for a fact that this is my last season to be a contestant on any reality show. I'm done with it. So I know this is my final season performing as a contestant, and I've already decided after this season there's not going to be any other reality show as a contestant for me. So
because now you're not good enough to be a judge. And I'm not just saying this because you're here.
That's really sweet.
But it's true. Why are you still a contestant?
No, that's because I feel I can never do monotony. I feel I can never do a 9 to 5 job. Isliye I am doing what I'm doing that I love. So this season for me is very special because I wanted to go one last time and give it my best and live it. Ke what next can Salman do? I want to ask that question to myself and challenge it to myself. That's why I took it up.
Are you finding answers to what next Salman can do? We are seeing some very good examples of it.
I hope, but there's more to come.
Always. And Salman has always. Okay, everyone was tuned in live. You know how this goes. You can send in lots of questions and love and all of that.
Lots of love has already started pouring in. People are saying they love your dance. They love every step of yours. And yeah, so a lot of love.
Okay, so you've been on Jhalak as the choreographer for so many years, kicking ass really. And this time you're the contestant. Is the experience different at all?
Well, it is very different and it is very difficult because as a choreographer, you conceive, whenever you hear a song, you conceive steps, choreography, light, music in your head. But to follow somebody else's choreography and their conviction is very difficult.
तो मैं वही आपको बोलूँ आज की कभी ऐसा होता है कि अच्छा कि तुम हीरो बनो मुझे भी आता है
यार यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. I have got into this season and I've been very polite in putting across my opinions saying कि यार हम ये भी कर सकते हैं. And my choreographer Aishwarya Ash has been very kind to take my opinions, but I just hope this entire season goes smooth like this and we don't have any tension. So
नहीं होगा.
Hopefully not.
हो सकता है. होगा तो नहीं होगा. ठीक है. Okay, so I think the moment of that episode where you did that dance which has blown my mind, like I'm getting visuals right
Kizumba.
now. The Kizumba. The name is only so sexy. Dance has to be sexy. Should we?
Really?
My God.
I'll take the lead.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
What do I do?
So nothing. You just need to. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this is happening.
Okay. So now just follow my lead.
Okay.
Just follow my lead. Follow my lead.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Don't worry, you're doing right. Yeah. I didn't even tell her what to do, right? She's doing it on herself.
I have not touched it. Okay,
she's doing it on herself. So I'm not even talking to her and she's doing all this on herself, right? Right? You're doing this all by yourself.
That's really not true.
No, because I'm leading you. Am I not?
And what a good job you're doing, fuck! This was I wasn't ready for this. But when you ever ready for life? So when this was happening with someone else, and now it doesn't matter because it's also happened with me. So when Daphne came and she was freaking out. So we were also is leaving it. So how was that?
I think that was quite shocking for me and quite exciting for me to see such a reaction from Jacqueline because I thought being an international face, she must have like obviously seen a lot of international performances, but when she came up and she did what she did, I was really taken aback at first and also very excited to have somebody so pretty and hot coming in and
she's such a great dancer herself.
She's a fantastic dancer. She's a fantastic dancer. I've always liked her, and I found her very pretty. And when a pretty lady walks up to you and touches you and asks you, "Are you real?" What can you?
You're like, yes, I am now. Okay, so I have found out today. I'm sorry, I'm late to the party. That Salman, you are married. How dare you? क्या सीन है ये?
क्या सीन है यार? Now she was my first girlfriend. Okay.
It's also
I've
a
married-
sweet story. We
Yeah.
cannot deal.
She's my high school sweetheart. She's been there with me when I was a nobody. So just because I become a somebody, how can I ever let go of her? So she's yeah.
Now I can't make fun of this. It's horrible. Okay, so we told everyone that you're coming and fans are sending so many questions. So everybody wants to know what your struggle has been like, because really you sort of not came out of nowhere, but there was nothing, and now you have done so well for yourself. You have fans globally. Everyone loves you.
That's true.
So how has it been?
I think that's right. I think Mumbai has been very kind to me, and it's not been easy for sure. Coming from a very humble, conservative Muslim background, to prove to your parents, your society, your family that you can make dancing a respected profession. But I think God's been in favor, and आप सबकी दुआएं साथ में रही हैं, and your appreciation. I think your appreciation is what has convinced my parents and my family that yes, he is in a respected profession.
So when you were doing, going through your struggling period, was there a time when you thought, maybe it's not going to
I quit
happen?
dancing. I was in my engineering final semester. I'm a mechanical engineer by education. I was in my engineering final semester when I decided that bus, dancing is not going to get me anywhere. I don't have the guts to go to Bombay, sleep on a footpath, and struggle in life. I can't do that. So let's get serious, get a 9 to 5 job, get my sister married, da 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 da. I had sorted my life out. But then
But the
he
heart
had his
wants-
plans. No, he had his plans. So a reality show came up, and I thought, okay, chalo yaar, let's give it a shot, because I don't want to grow old and then tell my children, okay, I could have been there, I could have done that, but I chose not to. Let me give it a shot. और वो एक शॉट की वजह से आज
हजारों लाखों fans, yes.
So a lot of people are sending in sad smileys because you got to dance.
Well,
Sad and angry emojis.
My
Then
job's better
somebody
than yours.
has sent you, Avishka has sent you a lot of love from South Africa.
Thank
And
you, Avishka.
Sizzling Shaina has sent like 100 messages asking
Sizzling
you.
Shaina?
Yeah, 100 messages already asking you to show her your abs.
that's actually, oh my god. Can we touch?
No, touch me not.
He just said he's married, Priya.
You can watch but you can't
You
touch.
can't watch, but you can't touch. Okay, cool. Okay, so I have a bunch of fan questions also that we created for you. So I'm going to ask you some of them. Okay, Aarti Kulkarni wants to know, who is your inspiration for dancing and in life? Separate.
Aarti, my inspiration for dancing definitely is Michael Jackson and Prabhudeva sir, because they are my icons whom I have grown up dancing and replicating and watching. And my icon in life, the person whom I follow the most is Prophet Muhammad. I follow his biography a lot, so I think that's my icon in life.
Okay. Okay, Sydney wants you to tell us if there was a song that you watched, a Bollywood or any song, that you thought he maybe choreographed around or something that it was so great that you wish you had choreographed it.
Wow. I think my first ever song that I ever remember as a child, and my parents have told me that I danced to, was Ek Do Teen. I wish I was in that era and I would have choreographed that song. I love that song and I love Madhuri Dixit, ma'am. So yeah.
Who doesn't? Can you do one Ekdoti move for us? Shiv Priya wants you to tell us that what is that one thing that keeps you going?
Shiv Priya, the one thing that keeps me going is life itself. I think life has so much to offer, and now with all your love and all the appreciation, I'm living a dream. For me, every day I have to pinch myself to feel this. I'm living a dream. It's not easy. It is a struggle, but I'm living a dream. So I think life on the whole just keeps me going.
That's amazing. Okay, and Harshita wants to know, why don't you post more pictures of your family?
यार मेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या पता है, लाइफ में मुझे नजर बहुत जल्दी लगती है, तो मैंने चाहता कि मेरी वजह से मेरे फैमिली वालों को भी उतनी नजर लगे, क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ टूटता रहता है मेरा इधर उधर. So I believe a lot in nazar, so I try and avoid that for that reason.
Okay, and so Kirti wants to know that we send you so much love, why don't you reply to us? Because he's busy.
I'm sorry, I'm rehearsing 16 hours a day. मैं टूट चुका हूँ, and I don't want anybody else to answer on my behalf. That's why, and I want to be able to get in touch with you guys on social network myself. So that's why I try to keep up to so many tweets and instas, but
But there's only one Salman and 1 crore fans. Like the ratio is off. कैसे करते हैं? Okay, so for going forward, inshallah, is there a plan? How do you just decide that one day हम ये करेंगे and that's it?
The problem is there's no plan in Jhalak because we are given tasks every single week by the channel, by the creators. Like, next week आपको ये करना है. Now with that task, how we put in a theme and choose a song is what keeps us going. So we actually have a day after shoot. Like today is the day that we decide what will we do the next week theme. And it's quite tricky that way because it's not a Pandora's box कि मैं हर चीज़ वहाँ से निकाल सकता हूँ. But I have a team of people who work with me. I have a great team of people who throw off ideas, and that's how it works for me.
Okay, and I wanted to ask you that, even from your reality days, I would see that because you get a lot of female attention, if it's not clear by now, but you're always very shy about it.
Yeah,
Why?
because I think I did my entire schooling in a boys' school and I'd never interacted with girls.
और लड़की भी बचपन में मिल गई थी.
हाँ, when I was in college, देखो, तो I think बचपन से ना, you know what my life's biggest fear is? Ever that I never want to get slapped by a girl. I want to be a gentleman till the time I die. किसी लड़की का हाथ मेरे गाल पे नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. So I think for me, no, I'm just saying that's my biggest fear. Like people say phobia, ना वो मेरे life का phobia है. That I never want to get slapped by a girl. Please let me be a gentleman till I die. तो बचपन से यार I wasn't very cool with girls, but dancing is what made me cool. और आज तक मेरा एक चीज to tick off the bucket list is I've never approached a girl and I've never told her that listen, I think you're very pretty or you have a pretty smile. I want to do that. Unknown girl.
He totally did it.
And unknown girl. I did? Then I can tick that off my bucket list.
Yes!
No, I did not do that.
Anyway, we have a question.
Akash wants to know what you eat to maintain your abs.
You don't want to know. It's very boring. I'm an absolute foodie person. I can't eat bread. I can't eat carbs. I'll tell you what I can't eat. I can't eat anything except protein. That is ande, salad. Ande, salad. Ande, salad.
Chicken?
Chicken.
Fish?
Yeah, fish, yes. But fish maybe not. There's only salmon that I eat without salt. So, yeah, exciting life, no?
What a depressing note to end this on. Okay, before we wrap this up, please give all your fans who are watching live and are going to watch it over and over a final message and what we have to look forward to, inshallah. Except for good looks, good looks, and good looks.
I just want to take this opportunity to tell you guys how much I love you. I can't confine my emotions into words to tell you how much I appreciate all your love, all your messages. I love you all out. Please keep supporting me like this because from here it's only one way. That's all.
Always, always.
Thanks to you guys.
Thank you so much for coming. Did you have fun?
Thank you. Of course I did have fun.
Awesome. And thank you for teaching me dancing. Okay, this is happening again. Thank you everyone who tuned in live. Remember, you can watch this over and over. And for all of you who missed tuning in live, you can watch the whole thing on YouTube. So we're everywhere, basically. We are stalking you. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.